Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I know it's been a while since I posted a video. I do apologize. I have been really into shorts lately and I've been enjoying them. And I think I just put so much pressure on myself for the long videos. So hopefully, I have a lot of ideas. It's just implementing them. So I have some ideas going forward I'm super excited about. So anyway, let's get into this. I have Madam Glam's Confetti Dreams Collection here. Gorgeous colors. I will say, when I think of Confetti Dreams, I think, sparkle and I don't know, confetti. And I was a little shocked to see only 2 glitters in this collection. And this is the Korean line also. So the bottles are different. I do prefer Madam Glam's, original usual line. So they're the only 2 slight flaws in my opinion are, wanting just more glitter. And also, I do prefer the bigger bottles better. They do have, the colors at the top, and I think the handles are easier to open and close and just more comfortable. But I will say these are still great quality. They're thick, very opaque. The best part and the reason why Madam Glam is so awesome is these are vegan, 21 free formula, hema-free, palm oil free, cruelty free, all the frees. It's amazing. And again, all that in this polish in Madam Glam. I also have a discount code for everyone. It is Jenna Nails 35. I will leave everything in the description. I also wanted to do a quick shout out. I got these nail palettes. If you are in the hunt for some and want to support a small business and a fellow YouTuber, I got these from Marcy, aka Latina Nails. She again has a YouTube channel. I will leave everything in the description, but I got these made and they're gorgeous. And these are big, but not like massively big, but they work great. So again, I will leave everything in the description. Okay, so let's get into the nail designs. I wanted to do just like some really easy, something a first timer could totally do with these. You all know by now that I am no nail art person. I cannot draw. I can barely draw a straight line. So these are all very like beginner friendly designs. I chose for the first one these 2 colors, which is Make a Wish and Midnight Kiss. I also will show you the glitters, how you can really build them up. That's 1 coat, and I wanted it very like transparent, see-through almost, but this is actually I think 3 coats that I did on the right. It's a lot darker. It looks like, what comes out of the bottle. So you can definitely get different like, color tones with the glitters. They're very buildable. So I picked these 2 colors and I'm just kind of drawing like swiggly lines, different angles throughout. This is a very forgiving, mess up friendly kind of look because the colors are very the same color tone. You can kind of like manipulate or just figure, you can make mistakes here and there and it's not as noticeable. So you'll see I did cure this after I made the lines, and then I will go over them. I want them kind of like higher up, thicker, so to say, so they do stand out a little more once I figure out how I want the look to go. And I do apologize because it is a little harder to see the lines that I am making, but I hope you still get the idea, and I will show better visual of it at the end. And again, I have cured throughout this process. Just cure whenever you feel comfortable curing. Go go at your speed. If you want to cure after every single inch of line, or, you know, whatever, do it. Do whatever you feel comfortable, where you don't make a mistake, or you feel like if you keep going, you know, the rest might get ruined. So do whatever you feel is necessary. But I will say, when you cure it, it does help build that depth up of the lines. So I cured probably like 2 times, and then I just kept building off of that. So I topped that with my Madam Glam top coat, and here is the finished product. I do love it. It's like a flashy but still like kind of minimal look. Like, it's not out there, but it's still like eye-catching. So this next one, I am taking Purplicious, and this is probably the easiest one. You're gonna see I'm going to do 2 coats of Purplicious. And then again, this is kind of like however you feel comfortable, whatever angle you want to do. If you want to do the top, you want to do the bottom. I am doing half matte and half shiny. You'll see how impactful this look is, and it's just so simple as to using a different top coat. I will say, if anyone has any recommendations of a matte top coat, I do not have Madam Glam's matte top coat, but I was using a off-brand, and I definitely did not prefer it. It looked good, but I did feel like it was kind of streaky. So if anyone has a matte top coat that they love, let me know. I guess I should probably get Madam Glam's top coat. That would make sense, matte top coat. And I will try that out. But yeah, there's definitely a difference in like quality and brands and whatever. So let me know. So yeah, this is the look. I love it. I really, really love it. Again, I do feel like the matte is kind of streaky. Maybe it's me, but again, super simple, and it's a gorgeous look. Next, I'm taking this Madam Glam pigment palette. I did a review on this, so if you haven't checked that out, go check it out. I did a pretty thorough review. I tried some different options out. So that was my first time using a pigment. So I just kind of tried it all. So if you're unfamiliar or new to pigment, check that out and become familiar with it. So just like the glitter polishes, the pigments are very buildable as well. But I'm just trying to play around. I'm kind of mixing this pinkish gold color with some neutrals. And again, just buildable, very easy to use, work with. If you feel like you make a mistake, you can easily fix it. So I highly recommend these pigment palettes. And I'm just trying to, again, get the color or look that I like. Again, you just kind of play around, tap, 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 build, and it's easy as that. So I just brush off the excess. I like what I see. Then I'm going to take these dotting tools. You can use whatever size you want. I am going to try for 2 or 3 different sizes. And then I'm going to take Glam Resolution, and I'm just going to do some different size dots going down the top of the nail. Simple as that. Again, this is beginner friendly, easy look ideas. You guys will have to let me know if you have tried any of these type looks out. Not that they're anything innovating or anything like that, but you have to let me know which one you like or which one you're going to try out. And here we go. These are all of them. It's so hard to see this dark purple, but you saw it, you know, before. It's beautiful. You can kind of see the streakiness on this with the matte top coat. But again, try it out. I think, you know, it's so simple and impactful and such an easy way to just, you know, create the nail. I love all these though. So there you have it, the oh my gosh, Madam Glam Confetti Dreams Collection. You have to let me know which color is your favorite. And thank you so much to Madam Glam for sending these over my way. I truly appreciate it. And I hope you enjoyed these looks. And I will see you guys in the next one. And again, I will leave everything in the description. And I will see you on the next short or video, whatever it is. But I hope you guys are well and you have a wonderful weekend. Bye, guys.